Top Knot Farm is located in Barangay Galalan, Pangil, Laguna, Philippines. It is approximately 80 kilometers away from Quezon City and around 3.5 hours drive. As expected, it was a rainy day drive during the wet season of the country, especially so in July 2022. But on a quest for another good camping experience, I was inspired to go and discover another gem in the south and to experience farm life at the top of the mountains in Pangil, Laguna. Since this is quite a long drive on a rainy day, I made the best of the journey by stopping by a local restaurant and a cafe in Tanay, Rizal for a sumptuous lunch and a good coffee to keep me going. My accommodation is called the Treehouse, and it's literally a house built on a tree. It has a complete basic camping needs such as beddings, gas stove, kitchen utensils, and griller. The place is pet friendly, so I was able to bring a company, my Persian cat Mali. It's yet another good opportunity for my cat to freely roam around and just be herself as a cat. Since the place is literally a farm on top of the mountains, I was able to see a lot of farm animals like chickens, cats, dogs, geese, and among others. Because it was a rainy day when I arrived, the place has a cool breeze and therefore a perfect weather to just relax and unwind. While bonfire cannot be set up because of the rain, the best way to wrap up the night is to simply chill by drinking my favorite tequila shots and enjoying the sound of the mountain, the winds, and the crickets. The next morning was another reminder of how blessed I am with another gift of life. With the majestic nature around me, I wish I could just freeze good times such as this. But as much as I want to pause and freeze, life must go on. And in moving on, just as what my tattoo constantly reminds me, I have to happily live with faith, hope, and love. But before anything else, The farm prides itself with an organic lifestyle that they allow visitors to harvest anything around the farm, while in my case, I harvested fresh eggs straight from their chicken cage. So what else is the best way to start the day than enjoying the time lapse at the mountain? Well, for me, I start with a good coffee and sumptuous fresh breakfast. The farm has easy access to 3 waterfalls. In my case, along with the farm's other guests, we visited one waterfalls to wrap up our top-notch farm experience. This weekend was another good experience connecting with Mother Nature. This was also another opportunity to relax my body, which we all deserve once in a while. As I go back to the city, I was once again reminded that the world is so huge, waiting to be explored. One step at a time, one place at a time. I go out, see the world, appreciate life, connect with nature, relax my body, feed the soul, and thank the Lord for all the things He provides.